Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna work on the Evo, but before we start, I'm gonna show you guys a couple new things I got going on. First are the mids. The mids for big twin Evos and earlier are done. They are on our website. This has been a year in the making. I learned a lot from this project. You know, not easy making your own product. Comes in two colors, silver and sand black. In the future, I'm gonna make a dedicated video to show you guys how to put it together and how to install on your bike. But that will be after I come back from Japan. I'm actually leaving to Japan this Sunday for the Moon Eye show this year. So pretty excited for that. And then over here, I've just been messing with the lathe, trying to learn as much as I can, you know. The next machine that I wanna get for the garage is a mill. So after I get back from Japan, I'm gonna look for a mill, and then my garage will be complete. And then over here, I got a new neon sign for the garage. This is made by Hyperlight, same company that sent me these hexagon lights. They're making custom neon signs now, so check them out. Really cool features, bunch of options that you can do. You can also leave it as a solid color from the app. There's a lot of customization using the app. But yeah, gonna put that sign up here where the Ford sign is. A lot of people have been asking me about the Rebel, like what's going on with the build. The Rebel, I don't have a deadline for it, but for the Evo I do, so I gotta prioritize the Evo. And yeah, today we're gonna lower the headlight, put the sprocket and rotor on, so I can align the rear wheel with the tranny, and then mount the fender and go from there. Let's get started. So right now the headlight is taller than the tank. I want it to be somewhere around here. So when the headlight's like this, it's blocking these two springs in the back. By lowering about 3 inches, it'll look better, in my opinion. And also, it'll line up nicely with the tank. I like this look better. I'm gonna be using this to make the headlight bracket. It's 1/4 inch steel. I got this piece from a do-it-yourself 60-part kit. Gonna chop it off right here and weld this piece to it like this. Then drill a hole for the headlight. And that's how we get the new headlight bracket. All right, got our bracket. All right, just got the headlight on. As you can see now, you can see the 2 springs in the back a little bit better. And now the headlight is pretty straight, even with the tank. Looks better. All right, next we're gonna put the sprocket and rotor back on. All right, one side done. Yeah, I think I'm gonna switch over to this fender instead. It hugs the tire more. This is, I'll show you the comparison. All right, so originally I was gonna run this one, but now after marking up the chain and everything, this is more likely gonna hit the chain. This one will fit the tire a lot better since it's a little bit narrow. All right, for this fender, it's pretty close to hitting the chain, and I would have to notch it out to prevent it from hitting. And from the back, there's a lot of space right here, right here, and right here. And the tire just looks sunken. Let's check out the other fender. An inch narrower than the other one. And as you can see, there's clearance right there. And it hugs the tire pretty well versus the other one. I think this 18-inch tire is perfect for this fender. It's more flush in my opinion. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this fender over the other one. All right, next we're gonna be making the bottom fender mount using these two holes right here. All right, here's the bottom fender mount. All right, got the fender mounted. All right, next up, we're gonna be mounting the seat. So it's pretty simple. Gonna be drilling a hole down to here, welding up to it. And then I have this knob, not sure where, but it says Harley Davidson on it. So it's perfect. All right, so just finished the rear mount for the seat. Now we're gonna do the front. For the front, there's a little threaded hole right here. Gonna screw it in, drill a hole right here, put it down, like that. Gonna cut down this bolt and then thread this part into the seat, and then the rest of it will go into the frame. All right, she's done. All right, let's recap what we did today. First, we lowered the headlight. I like it a lot better now. Before it was just too high and the springs behind it were covered. With this setup right now, the springs in the back are more exposed. And then next, I put the roller and sprocket back onto the rear wheel. That way I can align the back wheel with the tranny. And then after that, decided to go with this fender over the other one, because this one right here is a bit too wide for this 18-inch wheel. This one I feel like it hugs the tire more. And also, it clears the chain way better than the other one. And then next, I made a lower fender mount right there using the two holes that came with the frame. The reason I designed it like this is because when you look at the bike on the side like this, you can't really see it, And then after that, I got the seat mounted. In the next video, I'm gonna extend the sissy bar about a foot taller. Right now it's a bit short for my liking. And after I extend it, I'm gonna add some design into it, so it's not too basic. And I do plan on running our high mids for this bike. The only problem is that it doesn't clear this down tube right here, but that's okay. I'm gonna modify it to make it work. And then over here, mounted the new neon sign. Garage is nice and lit. I think just missing now is a small TV so I can play YouTube whenever I wrench, you know. And then the Ford sign is back here. Got some space up there that I'm gonna fill up in the future. There's space right there too. And then space over there. But yeah, I do plan on making car videos, especially for the Z in the future. Stay tuned for that. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.